Hello and welcome to Leon's Lock Pad. Got a Euro cylinder today to do. It's a Yale. It was a full one, cut it in half. It was came part of the eBay collection. It's a 5-pin, does work fine. As you can see, it's got 6 plugs, but when I've looked inside there, as you can see, yeah, so it's just like a spare plug hole. The key originally was, when I picked it up yesterday, I was having a look at it, it was twisted quite badly, but gentle persuasion from the device, and yeah, all works fine. See if we can get it picked. Because I do like my Yales, they are pretty good locks. Mostly come with spools, unless you get the Essentials collection, which are just really cheapo versions of the Yales, and they're all standards. I don't know why. It's just crap. Small tension wrench, homemade, and a small pick. Small hook, sorry. I do apologise. Yeah, a little rake first. Nope. We'll use that. Wrong one, sorry. There we go. Look like I've 2 and 3. Click off 4. Oh, we've got a default set now. So let's have a look what we're on. It's not number 1. No, it's number 3. Oh, I think it's number 4. Oh, there we go. And we're open. Oh, there's a bit of a struggle on that one. So what it is, I'm sat in my kitchen and it's so hot today. I've got Sunday dinner cooking away. That doesn't help. Makes it even hotter. Sorry about this, notifications off my phone. Let's get the back off this. The back's already half bloody twisted anyway. Don't like these ones, me. I like the little spring clip ones that are just a simple, nice click on and click off, than these really bendy, cheap ones. Oh, don't want to do that. Let's lock it back up. We've got the key. Let's find my tray. Get yourself a follower. Right, let's have a look. We'll turn to the side a little bit. There we go. And we've got, let's have a look. There we go. It is 5. got a standard keeping, a standard keeping, another standard keeping, another standard, and another one. They're really long keepings. This core though, there's definitely, I'm definitely going to change this. I'm not going to turn it into a challenge lock, but I think I'm going to change it to a more of a fun lock, and then and send it out to in a trade at some point. Because yeah, definitely do some good stuff with that core. And these pins, they are really, really long. Sorry, just looking for my tweezers. Just turn it around. We've got a standard key, driver. We've got a spool in number 2. We've got a standard driver in number 3. A spool in number 4. Give me a second. Just nearly dropped one. And number 5, we've got a standard. Yep, and then what you can see, if you can see that, there is 6, but only 5 are in use. So I wonder what, this must have been designed to have another core in it as well. A 6-pin core. Let me just show you the, there you go. Let me focus in. Oh, there we go. So we got a standard spool, and a standard, and all the key pins are standard. But the key pins are really long, so I could definitely do something with them, and do something with the core, make it more of an interesting lock. Give me a second, my camera's going all funky. But yeah, not too bad of a lock. It's a bit tricky for a few seconds, but we can definitely do something with it, make it a bit more enjoyable. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, and bye.